So here we have the integral of the square root of 2 plus x cubed times x to the 8th dx. So first let's split up the integral into the square root of 2 plus x cubed times x to the 6th times x squared dx. Next let's set u equal to 2 plus x cubed. Next let's subtract 2 from both sides to get u minus 2 equals x to the 3rd. Then let's square both sides to get the quantity u minus 2 squared equals x to the 6th. Next, let's take the derivative of u to get du over dx equals 3x squared. And now let's rearrange that equation to get du over 3x squared equals dx. So now let's plug in some of our known values into the integral. So here we have the integral of the square root of u times x to the 6th times x squared times du over 3x squared. Here we have the integral of the square root of u times the quantity u minus 2 squared times x squared times du over 3x squared. So here we substituted in the quantity u minus 2 squared for x to the 6th. And here let's simplify our integrand. So here we have 1/3 times the integral of the square root of u times the quantity u minus 2 squared du. So here we canceled out the x squareds and took a 1/3 out of the integral. Now let's simplify our integrand even more. So here we have 1/3 times the integral of the square root of u times the quantity u squared minus 4u minus 4 du. And here we have 1/3 times the integral of the quantity u to the 5/2 minus 4u to the 3/2 minus 4u to the 1/2 du. Now let's integrate to get 1/3 times the quantity 2 over 7u to the 7/2 minus 8 over 5u to the 5/2 minus 8 over 3u to the 3/2 plus c. Now let's multiply the fraction out to get 2 over 21 times u to the 7/2 minus 8 over 15u to the 5/2 minus 8 over 9u to the 3/2 plus c. Now let's substitute 2 plus x cubed back in for u. So here we have 2 over 21 times the quantity 2 plus x squared to the 7/2 minus 8 over 15 times the quantity 2 plus x squared to the 5/2 minus 8 over 9 times the quantity 2 plus x cubed to the 3/2 plus c.